Very soon now for Italy, both the people wey get document and the people wey no get document, everybody go dey the same level. Everybody go be the same. Everybody go turn to who no get. Even though you get passport for the countryside, you don't be citizen. As far as say you be migrant, you migrate enter the countryside. Everybody go dey the same level. Everybody go be the same. E get why.
È necessario introdurre un concetto e ci stiamo lavorando di permesso di soggiorno a punti. Come c'è la patente a punti, si tolgono dei punti e si sospende la patente perché la vita è sacra. A maggior ragione se ti concedo la cittadinanza.
Before I continue, make I first introduce one application for una wey una fit dey transfer money from anywhere for Europe directly to Nigeria with zero transfer fee. Learn5 money transfer app na ogbonge money transfer app when you fit dey transfer money from anywhere for Europe directly to Nigeria with zero transfer fees and competitive rates. If you never get am, you fit get am for Google Store Play, Apple Store Play and many more. Install am for inside your phone, register am, use my referral code e get well as you dey see am for dis video so. As you register and you use my referral code e get well with capital letter, Learn5 go sama you €15 cash back for the first €100 when you transfer from anywhere for Europe directly to Nigeria. E get why. My people no be small thing o. Before you dey invest for another man's land, make you know say one day dem fit wake up, kpolo you, drag you if you no move, go throway you for your country of origin. Even though you get passport, you still be extranere. Dem fit still looseguard you, collect that passport when you get, go throway you for your country of origin. Based on the new law wey Oga Savini tok say dem dey plan wey dem wan try implement concerning the migrants wey dey for the countryside, the migrants wey get docu, even though na passport holder you be. My people no be small thing o. Many things dey happen for the countryside. Make una see video wey Oga Savini do when e take talk say dem dey work on how dem wan take turn permission di sojourner make e be like driving license, make e dey get points. Maybe dem fit put like 20 points or 30 points. Even though you be citizen, you get passport, the same thing apply to it. Dem fit put like 20 points or 30 points for inside your document. If you do anything bad, dem go dey remove the points small. Depends on the things wey you do wey no too clear for the countryside. Small, if you do one thing, dem go remove points. Maybe you enter inside train, you no buy ticket, controller wan control you, you say you no dey buy, say you no get ticket, dem go remove points. Maybe your boss control you, you come dey do gra, dem go remove points. Maybe dem see you say you dey smoke igbo, dem go remove points. Maybe now dem see you say you come dey sell igbo, you be marketer, dem go still remove points. Dem go collect all the points, you go turn to who no get docu again. You wey get document before go turn to who no get, even though you be passport holder. E get why. My people no be small thing o. If you be migrants for the countryside, you migrate enter the countryside, you get passport, you don be citizen. That one no mean say you be Italo. That one no mean say dem recognize you say you be their citizen. Na stranger you be and na extranere you go be forever. Make you no your put your hope say you don already get passport, you don be citizen for the countryside. Say everywhere don good. Bros, sister, everywhere never good. Dem fit still looseguard you one day, go throway you for wherever you come from. E get why. Dem fit wake up one morning if dem no sleep well. Dem fit talk say everybody, both you wey get passport and the people wey no get docu, make everybody go back to their country. And as dem talk am, dem go carry am reach, dem dey follow everybody make dem dey go back to their country, back to back. If you no move, dem go move you. And dem go follow you. use net take catch you, go throw away you for wherever you come from. See, before you dey invest anything when you want to invest for the countryside, make you use your number 6. Based on say very soon the table go turn around, your mind go dey. All the labor wey you labor for the countryside, dem go lose guard you at the end. They go collect everything from you. If you like, make you buy many house, you buy many car. If they want follow you, they go say na nakedness you take on here and na nakedness you take go. And they go follow you. You no go collect anything. One pin, you no go collect am. They go collect everything from you. They go throw away you for wherever you come from. Your mind go dey normally. E get what? Now this one me dey talk. For you to dey invest, dey do things for the country where they no for recognize you. You better go dey do things for your whole fatherland. I know say they still dey lose guard for that side. Say their eye no still correct for that side. But then your country na your country. Where you come from, now you for the come. I know say the people wey dey back home that side, they no see they try. But then try to dey do things, they go house small. May you no come be say if you set, you no go get anything when you want fall back to. You go for empty rock. Rock wey get shuku, we go shuku your body tire, your mind go dey. Nothing 0/100. You no go even know wetin cause am. But then na the system of things. E get what?
E get why, yo, e get why, yes.